What's up, you guys? So today is the big day for my gender reveal and I'm so excited. I've been having dreams of this. So I really want a girl. Dad wants a boy, but for some reason, ever since the beginning of time, I've been thinking it's a boy, because it's just, I don't know, it's just, everything's just so different. Like, I was so sick during the first half that, you know, I didn't think I could go on. It was just like, if I had this first, I probably wouldn't have had any more kids after that. Like, I couldn't keep nothing down. I didn't like anything. Everything that I loved before, I hated. I only like salty foods. I didn't like any sweets at all. Then another thing is the butt chin. The butt chin started forming after, like, I'm gonna say 10 weeks. And when I saw the butt chin coming in, I was like, it's a boy. I know it's a boy, you know, because I don't get the butt chin with my girls. So one thing that does make me feel like maybe it's a girl is because with my girls, I don't have any physical changes, like too much. Like with boys, my nose spreads super wide. Like my whole face swells up like a pumpkin, but this time I'm still pretty much the same. And now that the morning sickness has subsided, I don't know, it's like I don't know, I really don't know what to think. So let's hear it for what we want. I'm over here. So Tootie, she's dressed in pink. What do you want, Pootie?
A girl.
A girl. Okay. Journey, what do you want? Look, Journey's taller than Tootie. Let me see. Yes.
Yes, she is.
With the camera, don't lie. It's the bun. No, I don't know.
They're the same height. Dang, Journey.
Did Journey? I just seen you look her up and down.
Who?
So, what are you guys wanting?
A boy.
Tootie, a girl. Journey has on blue for the boy. Okay, what do you want, lady?
I mean, I can't, like...
Oh, I forgot. She's the only one that knows the truth. So this whole time, she's been knowing what the gender is. We don't know. So, and I feel bad because I wish I had thought about it. Maybe the nurse could have given her the envelope, or just given us an envelope that we wouldn't have opened.
Mr. Girl.
So she knows what it is, and she said it's been torture because she wants to play along. So she has to wear white. Oh, let's see her outfit.
Wait.
Okay, okay. All right, so this is our setup, and this box has the revealing balloons inside of it. And this is the table. We got some snacks right here. We got our mystery cake right here. And over here we have the balloon, just the decorations for the baby shower.
DJ, you know how to record?
Let me show y'all my outfit. This is Maybelline. Oh, yeah, and it's shaped like a girl too, so I think so.
Just one touch.
Oh, it is? Okay. Tell me when it's corrected. Okay. I'm so nervous. I got the tape on one side. Woo. Okay.
I think it's some in the front. You got
No.
some in the front. No, that's it.
Oh. Woo.
Okay.
boy. I'm so nervous. What is it? Why is it not moving? Is it a plate? They take it now. Okay.
DJ, someone's watching us.
I don't want to accidentally see. Oh my God.
Want me to open it for you, Mom?
Yes. Hold on. Oh my God.
Oh, here comes the big stuff.
You sure it's gonna come up? Because if it's gonna be a dud, I'm gonna be so disappointed. But we still have the cake. Don't look.
Hey, ready?
Yes, and please. Oh God. I'm not looking.
Take it out of the thing. It don't work. It don't work.
It don't work. What you mean? I'm not looking. What do you mean it's not working?
Like it's not coming up. They're not coming up.
Why they not coming up?
Maybe I gotta touch it.
Is it helium or?
Hold on. Maybe I can touch it.
Wait, you need to flip it that way. Because I don't want to see. Look, the balloons won't rise. It don't work, Laser? Alright, okay.
This thing is not working.
Okay,
Cake.
so
Should we bring the cake out here?
yes, do that.
Alright. Here we go. Oh my God. Ah. Ah.
That's so cute how they did that. Yeah, that is cute. Oh my God, I'm gonna put it back. Look, put it back. Put it back. I'm gonna put it back. Oh man. You didn't make that clear. Yay, guys. Yay.
We won.
Baby boy.
Team
Team boy.
Right.
They won.
They knew.
Yeah, right.
Alright, so I'm so sorry I didn't do a follow-up right after. I was exhausted. I told you I barely do anything and I'm just like tired, I'm out of breath, and you know, so I ended up taking me a nap and it is the next morning. I just wanted to recap and talk a little bit about yesterday. So I just want to first start off by saying thank you so much to everyone who has watched this video. I'm so grateful to have you guys partake in this with me. Y'all are about to have a cyber nephew. And it is so special to me because, you know, I've always expressed how in my personal life, I don't have very many people, you know, around me. So, you know, over the years, I've kind of adopted you guys as my cyber family and friends. So, you know, it's truly a blessing to have my real family and friends watching, but definitely you guys as well. Oh my God, it was like my biggest fear came true. I had a feeling that this baby was a boy. I just had a feeling. I didn't want it to be true, but I just knew it. Deep down inside, I knew it. And it's just so crazy because Dad, when I tell you, he was not surprised at all. It was just like, I told you so. And he couldn't do nothing but laugh. You know, he's so excited. I'm telling you, this man, he knew from the very beginning. He never addressed him as baby. He always said that he was a boy. He wasn't even studying the idea of him being a girl. And the crazy part is he already had his name prepared and everything. He's right. And you know, I never really went against him because I knew deep down inside, I knew he was right. I am thankful for my baby boy. I just want him to be healthy, and really at this point, that's all that matters. Y'all please keep me in y'all prayers. Just keep positive thoughts of me. That's all I can focus on right now, is just being positive, staying positive. So, a lot of people have been asking about my baby shower. I am in the state of Texas. I have no family. And the city I'm in, I have no friends. So I don't necessarily think I'm going to have a baby shower because I have no one to invite. I don't even know anybody here because I have a very large family here on YouTube and, you know, like on Instagram, Facebook, just like my social media family. You guys are and have been such a great support system for me, and I appreciate you guys so much that, you know, I'm really considering doing a cyber baby shower. That's basically picking a date, going live, and just like doing little things like playing a guessing game where you guys can win prizes, and also like Cashapps, you know, just whatever comes that you guys can participate in. I think it'll be pretty neat. Also, I will be putting below a registry. Right now I have 2 registries that I open, one for Walmart and the other one for Amazon. I probably have more, I don't know. I've never done a registry before, so all of it is new to me. I really didn't even know what to put on the list. I put some things in there if you guys want to, you know, purchase some things for the baby. You know, that would be a blessing. It would be very much appreciated on our end. And on the day of the baby shower, I will open your gifts and give a proper thanks during that time. Now, if you don't want to purchase anything from the registry, you can also just send it to my P.O. box and make sure that you put your name and information on the card or just somewhere in the box so that I can give you a proper shout out and a proper thank you. Oh yeah, please help me out. If you guys know of any type of video that you guys will want me to do, because I'm going to try to post at least 2, maybe even 3 times a week. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm going to try to. But I need some ideas, y'all. I'm so rusty right now. Like, I was trying to work my camera and I forgot how to zoom in on my camera. And also, I plan to do a Q&A. If you guys have something that you want to ask, questions you want to ask, maybe you want to know how the kids reacted when I first told them, or maybe even Dad. Just don't go too deep, y'all. Don't go too deep. But, you know, for the most part, basic things like that, I have no problems with asking. And for those of you who have put in requests for different hair videos and also different types of videos, I heard you and I'm in the process. So thank you for those ideas, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.